All right, Bobby's gonna do now a forwards parking on the right hand side, yeah?
Reverse on the right.
Oh, there you go.
Yes. But I want to say small things before
go
we go. Mirror, signal. I want to say small things.
Yeah.
In the test,
Yeah.
I cannot say the nasty examiner because that's the wrong term to use because they're supposed to do their job.
Yeah,
so
of course. Yeah.
they can make it difficult or they can make it harder. Now, in their philosophy is whatever they throw at you, you should be able to do it. They don't ask anything out of the boundary of the test.
True.
Having said that, you know you can make someone else's life or easy or difficult. You know you can do that as an instructor, as an examiner, as a husband, as a whatever. Okay, now, in the very main road, with the traffic behind you and traffic in front of you, oncoming traffic, they ask you exactly this. When it's safe to do so, I would like you to pull up on the right before you reach the next parked car on the right. Pull up on the right before you reach the next parked car on the right. Do not worry about the driveway. When you have a traffic behind you, traffic in front of you, and there's a parked car, so moment by moment you get closer to that car on the right. So what you have to do, you have to stop the car as you're going into the car park. Imagine you leaving that house, you stopping like you want to go into that house. Let the traffic pass in front of you, then you go to the right, then you go forward. If the oncoming traffic comes,
Yeah.
you stop.
Why does this turn around? Yeah,
It's
go on.
okay.
I don't know why it turns around.
It's okay.
It's okay. Go on. Oh,
Turn the other side.
no, I don't know why it turns it around.
Turn this other side.
No, it's not for that. It's not for that. Anyway, go on, carry on. Don't worry. I'll hold it here.
Keep
See? Yeah, go on.
So, it will tell you when it's safe to do so. I would like you to pull up on the right before you reach the next park car on the right. Pull up on the right before you reach the next park car on the right. Ignore the driveway if there is any. Sometimes they ask you if there's a bus stop on the right. Car behind you, car in front of you. So you stop the car as you're going into the car park. Imagine you leave here, you want to drive forward into that parking. As I shall demonstrate.
Okay.
Look how professional I am. Oh my God. Okay, driver when you're ready. Tick, 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 tick. Signal.
That's it. Good. There you go.
I'm going to find a very awkward place. Okay. Let me find the car. There's no space on the right yet. Ahmed.
You know the better road? The one opposite?
Okay, you find a very horrible place and tell me to stop.
Okay.
In the very awkward place, tell
In
me to
between,
stop.
just before that Mercedes on the right.
Okay,
Yeah,
mirror,
that's what it's called.
signal,
That's a
cars
disabled
coming
way, though.
behind. It doesn't matter, I go. Cars behind me. Stop the car completely, signaling right. Don't worry about the car behind you. Wait for the traffic go. He signal. He shouldn't. I go here and turn right. Don't worry. And I stop. I allow him to go.
Yeah.
I allow him to go. That could happen. That was very good though.
That's really
That was
good.
very good.
They do
Stop.
think that you're going into a driveway sometimes.
Yeah, they think we're going there. So stop, allow them to pass, check again, go forward.
You know another thing you can do there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's very good. All
But
right.
that was a very awkward place. You asked me to stop.
Yeah.
As I asked you to do so, but the space was too small though when you asked me this. I said be nasty, not that much nasty. So you stop the car.
One thing I want you to do just before you reverse back now, if the van driver does that to you and you know you want that space right next to him, you can even point and just say that I want to go there, and they'll understand sometimes, you know? So you can kind of just say I want to go like this.
This is the things about it.
like that,
you know what makes the driving test, practical driving test, so difficult?
Yeah.
Do you know what?
Go on.
Unpredictability.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Because the theory test is what is the stopping distance in that 30 miles an hour, you're 23 meter, what is the thinking distance, 9 meter, braking distance, 14 meter, doesn't matter.
Yeah.
But this one, I was not expecting the van to stop for me.
No, I'm surprised you took it. I would have just like, for me, I would be like,
That
no,
because
I'm going
of
there.
the purpose of the video,
yeah. No, it's very
we
good,
have
yeah,
to
yeah.
do it. Having saying that, I was worried if I'm not touching the curb because the room is so
I know,
small.
it's so tight, I know.
Ah, you see.
All right, you ready?
Okay, reverse back 2 cars length.
Yep.
You know Paula, I shouldn't say it, I said her name. She reversed 5 cars.
Really?
You know why? Because
Professional,
she
she's
sat
professional.
next to the bushes,
Yeah.
so she couldn't see. She couldn't tell that she reversed 5 cars length.
Really?
Reverse.
Go on.
Observe. Particularly back and the front. Sometimes the road is very narrow.
Yeah.
The car pass, you have to stop. I would say normally, I don't know how you teach Ahmed. I always say, is anything come to your territory, you stop.
Yeah.
Not
yeah.
pedestrian on the other side, but pedestrian here when they were very close. You have to stop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stop again. 1.5 meters. I don't know how you teach, Ahmed. I teach this way. Check again. Kill the time. Waste the time. Or should I say that on the video? Some examiner will see this and they say, why are you teaching this way? You go and teach then. You know, I sent the video
Go on.
to an examiner.
Oh, did you?
She loves it.
Oh, yeah?
I swear to God, she loves it.
I know
She
what
said
you're
it's so much fun. I said, it's not because of what? Ahmed or me, or we two are a bit mad. Okay, I would say in this point, I believe I reversed 2 cars length.
Good. How do you
Would
know?
you like me to reverse more?
Some of my students ask me, oh, how do I know it's 2 car lengths?
2 cars.
Yeah.
How do I know?
Yeah. I think you're just answering it there. Yeah, 2 cars.
This is like you say, how much is a meter? How much is a 2 meter?
So-
well, you have to teach you in the school, innit?
Yeah. So what I tell them is you should be able to see the space in front of you where you came from. That's it.
That's
Easy.
I stop.
That's the space.
Sometimes before you go to reverse, you do, I always ask them, I believe this is 2 cars length. Would you like me to reverse further back, sir? Before handbrake up neutral. Because sometimes they say,
You're done
sometimes
already.
they say, Ahmed, look this. They say, yes, reverse more. Look how much I move, and then they say, enough. Look, I do this. They said reverse more. Okay, no traffic or nothing. Thank you. I swear to God, they do this.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, I'm telling you. You stop.
Oh my days.
And he said, why? He just wanted to bother you. He just wanted to say, go a little bit more.
Yeah. All right.
Drive on when you're ready.
Examiners are going to hate you. You know that.
It doesn't matter.
They're going to really hate you.
Everybody hate me already. So when you finish here, particularly for the foreign drivers, Brazilian in particular, because in UK they park in both sides.
Yeah.
Both sides facing this way, you're facing that way. I don't know.
Yeah.
They get it wrong. They go to the wrong side of the road because in Brazil they drive on the right. So when you go out,
Yeah. I had a girl from France, and
Yeah, they
they
do that
parked
as well.
them. They parked near the junction, reversed back 2 car spaces. She went to move off. She moved off and stayed on the right.
Happened to me as well, to my clients. So what you do, Brazilian friends,
Go.
you check. Is it safe to proceed? Back mirrors, front. When I can go, I lock the wheel to the left.
Yeah, go ahead.
I lock the wheel to the left. Check.
This is where they make most of the errors. You know that. And lean. Look how he's leaning over. The lean is.
And the middle of the road, the white line always goes on my right hand shoulder underneath here.
If it's safe to leave good space here though.
If it is safe. Sometimes the line is too narrow, the car is not fit in.
So we're going to do another one across this junction
in
now.
a very horrible place.
No, normal. Make it normal now. You did the
Make it
horrible
normal.
one.
It wasn't
That was horrible.
Okay, I want to make it difficult.
That was difficult. That was the most difficult you'll ever get.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Now,
Okay.
coming up to this road now.
You command me.
I do all the time. All right. So as we're driving along, if the examiner sees an opportunity, now they're going to say, right, Bobby, I'd like you to pull up on the right hand side, please, in a safe and convenient place.
Okay.
Yeah.
Before
Don't worry about any driveways.
Okay. Miro, signal, oncoming traffic. I'm not going more forward because I will lose the space.
Yes, exactly.
So I stop, regardless of the car behind me or front. Now I got my opportunity. I go right, mirror check before I move to the right. Signal goes off, put it back on again. Stop, allow him to pass, and then check again, and I go forward again. So when the cars pass, you have to stop.
That's it.
You don't go too close. You said ignore the driver, so I ignore the driver.
Good.
Handbrake up, neutral, cancel the signal if it's a manual car. Get your foot off.
Okay, thank
Waiting
you.
for his command. Go on then.
I'd like you to now reverse back 2 car spaces, stay relatively close to the curb, please.
I don't care what you like. Okay. Okay. Reverse.
Yeah.
Check. Look how much checking, Ahmed.
I know.
People checking like this, they're pretending, and the examiner knows you're pretending.
I know.
They do this.
Yeah.
So because they go too quick, they can't see.
We can't say anything.
What they call when we were learning how to be instructor, effective observation, sir. Effective observation, sir. Sir. Look through to the cars.
The windows, yeah.
Yes. Tiny bit. Stop again. Check again. There. Van coming now, stop. Are you brave enough to ask the examiner, is there any cars coming from there, sir? And then they're going to say, I can't help you. So, okay. I knew it.
I tried.
Stop again. Check again. I can see the car space where I was.
Yeah.
And check again. I don't care, I check. Doesn't matter how long. And I believe I reversed 2 cars length. Would you like me to reverse further back, sir?
No, that's quite all right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Lovely, thank you. I would now like to ask you to drive on, please.
Okay. Gear 1. Look forward and back. I always say that in the very funny manner. I said, mosquito pass, don't go. If the mosquito passing in front of you, don't go. It doesn't make sense because you can't go when the mosquito passes in front of you. Check, 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 check. Signal. Left lock. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I'd like you to pull up on the right in a safe and convenient place, please.
Okay.
This time I have not said ignore the driveways, yeah? So
mirror, signal.
what I tell my students is go for the first bay, finish at the second bay.
I always say to the third. I tell them you're more generous. I always say stop in the bay. I always tell them to go at the end of the bay.
One thing I would say as well, when you just did that now, just in case anyone's looking at it, you know, when the van driver went past, for my students, obviously you're more experienced, I don't tell them to move as the van is near you going past. I wait till the van's gone, then we go in.
That was a difficult one. You put me in the very awkward situation.
I have to, it's my job.
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm like that, yeah.
It's okay. But the people watching this video, if they have patience to see that they're in the fast forward, if they pass fast forward, they're missing all this things.
Yeah, exactly.
I said to a friend of mine, the music, son of a friend of mine, I said, can you listen to this music? He said, fast forwarded. You fast forwarded the music. So you're not listening to it then. Anyway,
it's a different generation now. It's a TikTok generation. All right.
Go quick.
Yeah. Okay, now reverse back. You okay with this? Or do you want to reverse or you're done?
I think we're done.
You're done. Go into that next road on the left and we do reverse parallel parking.
Reverse parallel parking.
We'll see you back in the next video. Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao.